Yeah. You know where they outside?
Outside, my girl.
Outside and the girl them. Oh.
Follow that business.
Right now, I'd rather make a late right now and walk with and lift to the I don't fuck with. You know, when they're outside, you know, we don't play the Oracabessa side, we play a one football match. Is it way? You kick off a one?
Hey boy, stop taking care of my road. Copy that guy.
You know, I go to the phone and go to charge up.
Buy, you know, take one.
You hear that?
I still man like it, man fooling man.
Outside, you hear that?
I watch you guys, man.
Yeah, we are low now.
You say when we are fouled up a winning now, win we are going to find on my side.
I'm murder.
You hear that?
Right.
This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's man, get to us now.
You're right now, we have a left out you know.
And the man now really young driver them.
Roman, Dick, and Baba.
When you come in a crowd of vehicle, you don't understand.
A wee vehicle.
Yo, see they good car pass empty. Right, alone then.
Yo, see a machine out there saying. Oh,
I mean, me G.
Scooby, see a machine there.
Yo. Travis, sit down back here.
What's sitting there?
My auntie dog, we are move so brother. Run it, talk to your boy now. Brother, one.
Yeah, man, them not about no weed in the dog. No weed in the dog. That mess with the carry man, my youth. I want to go like him and move like him and there. Yeah. Right now we're halfway on our journey, and so we're so reach our destination.
Yeah, man, that's what we are.
Wait, Subaru. You know, chap, get a year. Top of the Is it?
Is it?
I'm going to tell you, I'm going to call you on the phone.
I'm being my man.
Yeah, I'm a friend now.
Yeah, man, I see me. Cause we are like
Yo, I need a Jordan. Is it? I need
Wait. Over the side there. Who the on the side there?
I need a Jordan.
Mike. They're right in close side of man carry them. Who that brother?
Nico.
Like a madman, brother.
Okay, Nico, then a boy.
I found the
Bad driver. Yeah, I'm a shutter driver. Is it? Outside, like nah, man.
outside right now.
You're right now ready for move again. Then I destiny.
That there, you know, man. What them say?
You hear that?
Show me.
Outside, you see me right now. I move. We're gonna move. You know, you see me. Next stop. Away. Oracabessa.
You call it now, can look on the card. I want to see the card. Look. Radiant. How we make you go and lead a long time? Oh, I know that. Tell the driver, say. Pit stop.
Yo, where is this?
I shall say feel it. Run, ready, you know. Up, officer. The man a pass, we are going to say no. Let's say, come here, sir.
No, straight.
And then I shop. Like some tourists must have some of that. A tourist place must have some of that. Post already. Banana.
If you take that one, bro. Blind spot.
Side like you road.
Boom! Boom!
Yeah, to chill that to go. To the ball off the outside there.
That's a really countryman then there. A countryman then there, that all I am gato. Nah, video uno brother. Turn down the camera. Yeah, really country boy. Just like that, never know. Yeah, we're up on the move again. We're not just a choppy. Yeah. Rasta one, this pussy look for me. Get on the rim. Rasta come and break in. Yes, you got a style.
Let me do that. The family girl them born me before, but I was not the place of me master. But me never run me before. And even when me hold it to the past, after me got gun that for sure. Love is beautiful, you always see me young and at war. It's like bad man, I kill them pussy. But you need to run to the door. Cause every time another you stand up, I just bring you down to the floor. But you never let me not feel the floor. But you never let me not feel the floor. Explore Jamaica. Only for nice place to go to.
Word, I understand why. Oh, they no mark up. You kill them. They're night. All I kill them out, you know. Problem. All I kill of them.
All I kill of them.
Murder.
He's only black.
Bin Laden. Murder. Outside. All I care them out today. All I kill of them. Problem.
Outside, you know?
You said to me for a longer while now, who know that? Only for money there, man. Oh, then I'm father. Listen. 5-star TV, you know. You know, press your fuck. You know, press your fuck. Who that? God, the way there. Him there. I agree. Killer there.
Outside.
Check it dashboard. Yeah, man, now we can't put up some mash up. Impacto. Watch it. Yeah. Remember this one?
The shots?
Yeah, fuck.
Eat me, I don't know where I'm going. I'm move back here one password. When you go back here. Yeah. Yeah, bargain. Video bargain.
Braga. Adi.
Yeah, fully.
Is it?
Nice, good for yourself. Yeah, I love how it looks, I see it.
First side. What's going on? Third side. What's popping?
Outside.
Hey, whole heap of run up and down with that.
We know be sure.
5 star. 5 star. Outside, we are killer side today now. Yo, my people ain't checking on the vlog here, yo. The vlog is wicked. We are going to video the game too. The whole game we want video, you see me? Want to see some man we are going to shit up.
Like Ranil.
That's cool, we are idiot. Where your son here with it? Where your son here? Ownstone. We are Ownstone today. First me come right there, but I like his settings. Matter of fact, I like the feel, you see me? Grandstands up there, sir. You see me? Mini stands over here, sir. Ooh!
Nobody did ask that, brother.
I'm here alone come from
You idiot! Don't keep
Yo, watch out now. A mad dog this now. A max this now. So you know where you go. Dead today. Side dead.
Yo!
Ask again, no? You didn't hear me name.
Unity is strength, beside unity is strength.
We're in father going up 5 goal.
No, something like I want that.
Inside, outside. Ready?
That's easy.
No, brother, you don't want to find out. Brother,
Huh?
That's what party card it tell me now give me 9 weeks. Beside unity is
don't funny grind. No, I say no. So I come to your mind, and I first it up to your mind. It's not on you, go.
Aga. Remember say over here so we dey now. Do not fuck crazy.
gun bag.
Number 17, I'll take him out. Number 17 by your shirt here. Number 17 by your shirt here.
Now my bird time,
Aga.
No, some sleep with the
That's in the corner. That's in my hardball.
One spread.
I know what I left. That's him the 5-star.
Ronnie Wall.
Very
Ronnie Wall. Before you want to play then dead on the wall that looks so close. Ronnie Wall bowler. Boom.
Murder.
Rocky Bella, you're one Rocky Bella.
Esse aceita que manter. Aceita que manter a bota.
A bota eu acho, mano.
Manan.
Control you. You're alone now. Line. Good. Try ball. Touch you next time. Good try, man. I know that that's the keeper of my team. Ronaga! 10 boy, Ronaga!
Murder. First thing them to the offside now, play too.
Alright. That bounce like one big man. Yeah, rough up man them brother, I'm to you.
You must sip on, a water. Oh, see your water here, I drink.
You catch a goal?
Yeah.
Coffee?
Good press baller!
Who are them that?
Big side here? No joke!
How are you, Aaron?
I hope they can take pressure.
Man, a good dog. Man, I hope it's like a cheap. That's nice, yeah? Good behavior in life. Tell them it's nice.
Concentration, just in the beat of my
You see why give me blood clot run? You see why give me run? Tired.
Daniel, link that, you know. See a funny flicker.
Every kind of know.
Second. Bad driver. Bad driver.
Go back on the field now. Go back on the field now. Take out my car and blood clot.
Look at this baller. Like say. Look at the baller. Hard this time baller them up on the field. You hear that? Brenton. Alright, Rocky Ben. Shop.
Man, this Stanley clumsy. Bombo clad.
Radiate, where you go?
Bombo clad.
Radiate. Play with your see, man. Knock up the ball, man.
Yo, I'm gonna catch me out.
Tap it. Go on, I'm again, and I'm looking for
Yo, I'm gonna catch the last goal.
You're gonna catch the last one. You catch
He next to them. Ranel.
or no yard for him. Fuck to that man. Jack, look at size more. Jack, look at size more. It's slip on me,
Outside.
Acho que eu vou espia, não.
Ranel there, you see me, Ranel the realist TV, you see me, we just a forward from Oldstone, you see me, down a Oracabessa, you see me. We play a football game, you see me, and we win 4-2, you see me. And we just say, oh, we are vlog it, you see me. We vlog it when we are go, you see me. We vlog piece of the match too, you see me. And when we are come out, we just reach back and now, we're tired.
We kill side.
Well tired right now, I'm tired. I'm one who just go beat and go me and go lay down. You see me, we no romance, but we not drink it tonight because a curfew was now, you see me. So we have to go eat. So here me and some people. If you don't like the vlog, you see me, because we normally do this on certain occasion, you see me. We normally go out, you see me. So my time them man really match alone, you go play with us, go out like on the beach or river more while go enjoy, we still cook some food and vibes, you know. You know what the 5-star there, isn't it?
Don't know the thing though.
At the one link, isn't it? The whole one link team there. Some of the man them gone home, isn't it? Because them tired and them want to go beat and lay down with the woman and thing. So if you don't like the vlog, you just comment, isn't it?
Remember to subscribe to the dog. Remember to like, share, and
until we if you want more of them vlogging, isn't it? And don't forget, as a 5-star say, don't forget to like, share, and comment, isn't it? And click the notification bell, isn't it?
Yeah, notify every time a video drop.
Yeah, as a video drop. Isn't it? And we have some sick video where I go drop, isn't it? 5-star have some video where I go drop on Filmstar, like 5-star TV.
Don't know the thing.
Isn't it? And I have some more video where I go drop too. Isn't it? I start drop up some comedy videos, isn't it? In the streets right now, I'm mostly in the street video them I go drop, isn't it? Go in the street and ask some questions. But the people them just look out for the video them, isn't it? Them are gonna come back a one and isn't it? Right now, I'm out.